Alright guys, so how fast should you be arranging your beats? First of all, if you have a template, it's gonna be really fast. I showed you how to make one for drill beats, and you have your risers, your producer tag, let's say your gunshots ready. So you just unmute that track when you're done. Now, before the arrangement, of course, you should have your drums ready. Let's say and of course your melodic instruments. I have named everything so you can see here what I have. So yeah, after this I'm gonna just duplicate until here, and I'm just gonna make this parts and then duplicate that. So now for the intro is very easy. Remove the kick, snare, keep the hat only for the second half, remove most of the perks, the 808. I'm gonna keep the sub bass for the second part and remove it from the rest. I'm also just gonna keep one counter melody, so let's say this. So oops. So for the hook, it's very easy as well. I'm gonna do a delayed drop right here. Remove most of the perks for the first half. Say, am I blind? And also, well, yeah, that's it. So now for the verse, we're gonna start. We can do a delayed drop as well. Also remove some energy here from the instruments. The perks could come at the end as a fill. And let's see. We could also have our hi-hats around here. So for the last part of the verse, we're gonna remove the kick so that when the hook comes again, we can feel the energy. So kick is off. The snare could be off for the first part here, and the 808 can come with a snare here. So let's see, and I could also remove that. Actually, the 808 could be very simple here. So and then the only thing we need to do, I'll drag the hook, the verse, the hook again, and we have where is it? 3-minute 12-second beat. So yeah, that doesn't mean I'm completely finished that beat. I need to change my 808 for the verse and listen if I want to do some adjustments as well. So yeah, if you want me to make one for trap as well, let me know, or for any other style. So yeah, that's how I arrange my drill beats in 2022. I hope it was helpful, and I'm gonna see you soon. Cheers.
It's love.